4 typhoons in 1 month? The Philippines is in the eye of a global storm. And it's not just nature's doing. Just for this month of November, hindi lang isa or dalawa, 4 na bagyo ang nanalasa sa atin. Gusto mo yon? 4 typhoons in 1 month. It's devastating. Maraming buhay ang naantala. Yung mga LGUs natin ay hirap na hirap sa pag-manage ng damage sa iba't ibang sectors such as agriculture, health, and even education. But here's the thing, it's not just nature taking its course. Scientists and communicators have been sounding the alarm. Ang tubig ng karagatan ay umiinit and warmer water means stronger and mas maraming bagyo. Pero sa totoo lang, countries like the Philippines are suffering the consequences of something we didn't even create. Industrialized nations, or yung mga bansang matataas ang greenhouse gas emissions, have been driving climate change for decades now. Countries like China, the US, and India have the highest carbon footprint in the world. Yet, yung mga bansang katulad natin na nagsasuffer. Does that sound fair? And hindi lang tayo to. Climate disasters are also intensifying in other countries, such as countries in Asia, countries in Africa, and Latin America. How does it happen? Well, ang carbon dioxide kasi sa hangin ay tinatrap ang init sa atmosphere natin, warming our oceans, which is a perfect recipe for super typhoon. Think about it. The Philippines only contributes 0.4% in the global emissions. Yet, we are ranked as one of the most climate vulnerable countries in the world. Yung 4 na bagyo ng November are just a snapshot of a bigger picture. This is not just a Filipino story. It's the story of climate injustice. It's a call for everyone to hold the biggest polluters accountable. Hindi ito tanong ng kung mangyayari ba ito ulit sa atin. It's a matter of when it will happen again to us. And unless the world acts, we'll keep paying the price for the emissions we didn't even cause.